Hapana my lord, hawezi pitisha homosexuality na wakatae Jah Plant.
Yes. How?
Sisi tukivuta hiyo bangi tumeua nani, tumeibia nani, tumekosea nani? We are not like
Mama unasema they are saying yes to chichi.
Yeah, my lord.
And not to the plan.
My lord.
Hawana reason enough ya kusema ati kwa nini hawataki. Ati yes to chichi.
They can't even give us
blood. So it's okay lesbian to lesbian. A man to man.
Principles I have. Me have been a teacher all my life. I'm above 60 years now. Mnaniambia nini? I've smoked weed all these years. Imeniweka vizuri. Look at me at 60. Look at me at 60. Habi imeniweka poa. It is medicinal.
Wambi uendagi Gusiiland.
I don't go to no hospital.
No synthetic stuff.
Nothing man. I'm fresh.
Who has them women of your years?
A woman of 60 akuja asimame hapa.
Anakunywa pombe.
Anakunywa pombe na sigara. Asimame na mimi.
Asimame hapa.
The problem I think we are having is people, having the mentality that the use of cannabis only means the smoking of it, which is so wrong. The use of cannabis means, as far as the Rastaman is concerned, is either the eating, the smoking, the drinking, the bathing. So it has got so many uses, even the wearing. Even you wear clothes, that is a use of marijuana. But if you're wearing clothes that made of marijuana, that is illegal in the Republic of Kenya. So we have an opportunity of, taking this question to another level and getting a determination. And one thing that we should do, we should just find hope in what has been happening in other jurisdictions.